Hello everybody, this is Vasya from New York. My news, I'm finished my study on profession sterile technician. Actually, I don't remember. Sorry. Actually, I don't remember how to say correctly this profession. It will be certificate registered central service technician. I think I can call it central service technician. Work with medical tools, sterilized. I have certificate to finish my study. It's mine. I like it. I finish courses on Concord Russam. If you're interested, I can say about it. Write couple comments. I answer to you about my study if you're interested. I will be working on hospital. Of course, before I'm working in hospital, like certificated sterile profession technician, I will go to exam. I need to pass the exam and I need go to practice. And I need finish 400 hours. I will be looked practice 400 hours. Before I go in, I need to finish my second study. It's ESL classes in college. I'm studying in Kingsborough College, New York City, like student on English courses. It's courses for 3 months. I'm studying 2 days by online from at Zoom. It's Monday and Friday, and 3 days per week I'm studying in college. It's from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Yes, with lunch, of course. And it's interesting study. My level of English now much better, but I'm shy. I'm shy to tell. I'm shy to speak with American people. Of course, if I need it, I'm speaking, and I have problems with times. It's like when I finish to do something in past, or I'm not finished, like I'm drinking coffee and I drank coffee. I have big problems with that, and I know and other people have problems in English too with times. It's so many in English language 16 times. Oh my god. How people understand that, I don't know. That's my news. I have free evenings and I will be learning all topics. I need to know all topics, all terms, all words. I need to understand all on this profession, and I need to talk fluently. I need to talk clearly on English language, on American English language, of course. I'm nervous, but I know, I understand. I am smart. I wish about it. I'm smart. And that's it. My new life in 35 years. I'm 35. I have education, engineer, electrical, and electrical second education. But I don't want to work on this area. I don't want to work with my old diplomas. That's it. Thank you for watching. This was from New York.